Welcome to the AISD Edu Personalized Learning Conference. We're using the online schedule platform Sched to make sure you always have access to the most up-to-date schedule. Make your way to the Sched by using this QR code, clicking this link, or typing aisdedu2019.sched.com into your browser's address bar. Sched defaults to the simple view. This allows you to see every session that happens in each time slot. Hovering your mouse pointer over a session will let you see the detailed description and who's presenting. Under the presenter, you can find the date, time, and room number, followed by the intended audience, targeted PPFT strands, and session type. If you're logged into Sched using either an email address or a Facebook account, you can add sessions to your personal schedule by clicking the Add to My Sched button, or the circle to check it off. The grid view is an easy way to see what's happening in each room. Scroll up and down to see the day from start to finish, and drag the grid left and right to see what's happening in each room. Notice the room numbers at the top of the grid. You can also add sessions to your personal schedule, just like in this simple view. Every session is tagged with intended audiences, targeted PPFT strands, and a session type. You can filter the listed sessions by any one of these tags. For example, if I'm interested in seeing sessions that are applicable to novice teachers, I can click that tag to filter the list. Most sessions are tagged with multiple audiences, so don't pay too much attention to the color of the session itself when deciding. Check the Blend course for an explanation of the different session types. That's all it takes to get Sched to work for you during this conference. If you have any trouble, be sure to ask one of the folks in the red AISD Edu shirts for help. Enjoy the conference!